Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm harvesting all my potatoes because it's getting they're getting ripe. You know, you can see the leaves are dry. So let's harvest them all. It's time to harvest. Okay. Right here. Lots of potatoes in Alberta, Canada. So it's time to harvest because the weather is warmer right now. Next few days gonna be cold, so everything here is gonna be taken out. I have some carrots there, so I need to harvest them all too. So these are my potatoes. Okay, you show here. Go here, closer, camera closer here, closer, camera. See, look, this guys, potato. So many potato, guys. I need to dig them all. Look at this. Oh, make sure we don't miss this thing. And here, come here. Look at this. They're big. They're big, guys. Some are small. Holy smokes! Woohoo! Very big, guys. Oh, this is tiny. Wow. See? One branch. So many. Okay, let's go here. Some mosquitoes. Here. Oh shit. Whew, these are tiny, guys, very, very tiny, but some are big. Okay, let's go dig them. Look at this. The soil is getting dry because in Alberta it's getting winter here. It's getting winter in Alberta, Canada. So it's time to harvest everything. Look, oh. Sometimes I poke them, guys, because can't see them, eh? I poke with my machete. This is called machete, but in Bisaya this is a pinote, guys. Pinote in Bisaya. I don't know in Tagalog what you call this in Tagalog. It's a I don't know. This is a machete in English. Machete, pinote. There you go. I found. Woo! Wow. Woohoo! Some. Oh, it looks like parang nangangalot lang kamuti ba? Oh, oop, here. Woo. Guys. Woo. Woo. Libre na yung ano ko. Mga recipe nito. Just be careful, we have to be careful. Dig this one. Wow. Because if you're not careful, you will hit this thing.
It's pouring, babe.
Yeah, okay.
It's pouring now.
Pouring rain. Don't worry, it's only a rain. That's why I put my jacket here. Some mosquitoes, something flying around. Oh, here. Woo, look, another one. Look, I think a big one. Oh, this is a big one, guys. So guys, it's almost full, guys. Almost full. My bag, my pail. Wow, have to be careful. I need to dig. Oh, look, see?
It's raining.
Oh, raining. Oh, that's only a tiny rain. You don't go, you know. It's not a heavy rain. Just taligsik. It's just taligsik, guys. In Bisaya. Taligsik. Oh, here. Look. Wow. Awesome. Woo. Wow. Woo. Guys, ready na to sa ano?
Bilisan
Pork.
mo
It's
na.
good for the pork.
Stop talking.
Wow. I need to dig them. Oh, see?
I
More.
think those nothing. Nothing in
Oh, wow. Are there more here, guys? It's long. It's a long way to go. So I need some maybe help. Oh, so many, guys. Wow. 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 Awesome. Oh, wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Are they here? Maybe around here? Maybe
Wala
some
na
here?
dyan, wala na
Nothing. So we have to be careful here. Ooh. Have to be careful.
Ba't wala dyan?
Careful. Holy smoke. Guys, here. Oh, wow. This is potato 2023. Look at this here, guys. Oh, wow. Amazing. I need to dig this one. I thought it's big. It's so small. That's funny. I thought it's big. Oh, another one. Oh, here, guys. Wow, amazing, guys. Amazing. Wow. I almost hit it. See, I almost hit with my machete. Look. Carefully, look, guys. Okay. Carefully look. Wow. Wow, amazing, guys. I'm having fun here, guys. I'm having fun here, guys. Woo. Here. Watch here. This is really good soil here, so you can see. Wow, magic, guys, magic. So maybe some here, guys. A potato, guys. Wow. This is tiny, guys. Wow, what's another underneath? See, there's some here. Look, yeah. Wow, maybe underneath. Because the soil here, guys, is more. See? Oh, no. See? Wow. That's I told you guys, there's some here because the soil is very soft here, a little bit softer than compared to that area. So the roots here is better. So they went down more. So you can see here, look. See? It's more potato. So might be somewhere we missed something there. I need to dig that. But right now I'm gonna show you the best as I can. Show you the quickest I can, because I can't take more videos more than longer. So guys, here, fastest as I can. Wow, this is awesome. Wow, punong-puno na yung pail ko, guys. It's almost full. Punong-puno in Tagalog. It's almost full. Malapit na palang mapuno. Tagalog. Almost full. Woo-hoo. Awesome. One for you, one for me. Okay. Right on, guys. Wow. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow my Facebook page, YouTube channel, so that can show you another video like this or travel vlogs. You know already what I'm vlogging here. I'm vlogging here, adventures. Music video, guys. I'm doing music video next upload. Right now we're harvesting a potato because we need some recipe too. We need to eat, So subscribe my channel. Okay, guys, subscribe and follow my Facebook page. Okay, thank you guys for subscribing, and more adventures to go and more potatoes to harvest next year pala, kasi it's getting cold here in Canada. So abangan nyo po, guys, ang aking music video. It's coming soon, and all my travel vlogs and all my other works videos. Wow. Here guys, here show you more here. Wow, rock on. Rock and roll, guys. Rock and roll. There's so many potatoes, guys. Wow, it's amazing year, guys. So keep tuning in, guys. Keep tuning in. Keep tuning in here in my channel. Only you can see a potato, squash, our vegetables, adventures, you know, fixing some stuff, music videos, all that kind of stuff. Only here in my channel. Wow, here, look, see? I told you guys, so guys, we have to be careful here. See, wow, it looks like there's a big here, guys. Big roots, guys, big roots. Not a big potato. Potato, big roots, guys. Wow. Here. See? Here. Hop. I need to take off this roots, guys. They're always coming back. Every year, they're always coming back if you don't take this off. No, anyway, they're always coming back. All the time. You can't kill them. They are bad roots. That's why. Bad roots, hard to kill. That's what they said. Okay, guys. Right here, this is the last portion of this column. We call this column area for the potato. So I think hopefully there's some here. Oh, looks like. Oh, this is the last one. I guess, guys. Oh, whew, here. Whew. See, big one. Wow. Oh, my pail is full, guys. My pail is full already. My pail is full already. Come on, baby. My pail is full. Wow, amazing. Okay, guys, right here, guys. So many, guys. Woo. Thank you, guys. Oh, look, surprise. Wow, awesome. Biggest one I got. Wow, and I found another potatas, squash. Yan ang ano, hindi pa tutubo eh. It needs some time, that squash needs some time. Wow, guys, the last one. So see?
That's the biggest.
This is the biggest one of the potato I harvested. The last one I took, See? Last area. See? So, pag may itanim, guys, may anihin. So, keep working, guys. Keep, planting. Don't be lazy. So, if you're lazy, you cannot make this one. See? If you're lazy, sitting around the corner, you can't have that. You need to work. You need to work hard in order to get this one. Even if you're in your backyard. You know what I mean. If you have something like this in your backyard, small, you don't need to get a big yard, big yard, big farm. You can plant some of this, You know what I mean, Right here. Woo-hoo. You know. Okay. Right here, guys. Okay.
I think that's it.
I think, guys, that's it. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for watching me. Right now, if you're watching this, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Facebook page. And see you next video, guys. Thank you very much. Keep rocking. Woo! Keep rocking, guys.